Welcome back, lovely people. Let's make this delicious sausage pasta together. So, the first thing I'm doing is I've cut up some sausages and I'm just going to be frying it on like medium heat for about 2 minutes. You can cut up your sausages in any size, any shape you desire. I like it in this round shape. I can decide to cut it like diagonally or anyhow. It just depends on your preference. So guys, I've fried this for about 2 minutes and it is time for me to get it off from the heat. I'll prefer frying it first rather than just like tossing it into my meal, so that I'm sure that it is well cooked and like a little bit crispy on the outside. So this is why I do this method first, by frying it before I start with the other ingredients I'm going to be adding to this recipe. So after taking it off, the next thing I'll do is I'm just going to be like frying some onions as well in the same cooking oil that I used for the sausage pasta. If you notice from the beginning, I had like quite a bit or a large amount of oil, which I purposely did so that I can like continue using it for the other part of my dish. And I added some onions to this. I'm allowing this to like caramelize for like 2 minutes, and the next thing is to add some spring onions. I love adding spring onions to my pasta dish. I added some rosemary, thyme, oregano, and bay leaf. Feel free to use any spice or herbs of your choice, anything you want. You can add some curry leaves, you can add some spinach, anything fresh, anything that you feel will give life to your dish. Feel free to add it. And I added some bell peppers as well. I love bell peppers. If you are a fan, you know that I love bell peppers in almost every of my savory dish. And I use the green, yellow, and red bell peppers because they all have their varying degrees of sweetness, and I love using that. I added some chili sauce to my dish, some sweet chili sauce as well. Feel free to add whatever desire you want depending on your preference. Some sesame oil, some dark soy sauce, so that it can give our dish a lift. And I'm just going to like start stirring everything together so that it is well cooked properly and all together. So I'll do this for about 2 minutes on very low heat. Be careful not to do this on high heat because it can make your ingredients burn, and you don't want this. If you notice, this dish is just what it is. I'm not adding any pepper or like fresh pepper or any other thing. It's as like oriental as it can get. I added some lemon juice for more balanced flavor because I wanted to balance it between a little bit of sweet and tangy at the same time. Trust me, you won't feel the lemon juice like that. It's just going to help you like balance out all the flavors all together. And guys, I'm adding my cooked spaghetti. I'd already parboiled this separately, and I'm like just adding this to the mix as well. Because I felt my taste was not as what I wanted, I added a little bit of seasoning. Please, this is optional because of the other ingredients I had added. The sweet chili sauce, the soy sauce, all have their own levels of taste. So taste it first and be sure you need it or not before you go on to adding seasoning. Because I wanted it to be more balanced, that's why I added more seasoning. And I'm just tossing it carefully here and there. I added my sausages that I fried earlier on. I'll be going ahead to add some like chopped tomatoes as well because I wanted more garnish. And I didn't stop there because I wanted more garnish. I just wanted to like uplift the whole dish. I added some more spring onions for garnish, for freshness, and for more balance. And our dish is ready. Just toss it carefully so that you don't break up all your spaghetti on all your pasta. And guys, it was so flavorful, it was so tasty. The kids would definitely love it, and as an adult I enjoyed it so much as well. So anytime you're looking for any other dish, any kind of like pasta dish, feel free to do this. It doesn't require so much, no need for fresh pepper or anything like that, and you have a banging flavorful spaghetti sausage dish. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed already. I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye for now.